Step into a haven where warmth whispers from every surface, where history is etched in the grain, and time dances with stories untold. This is the magic of wooden furniture, a timeless symphony of nature's artistry and human craftsmanship. Forget fleeting trends and disposable materials. In the realm of wood, beauty transcends ages, evolving with each passing year like a treasured heirloom. Unlike the cold sterility of mass-produced furniture, each piece of wood whispers its own tale. Imagine the gnarled oak, once a towering sentinel, now transformed into a sturdy dining table, its surface bearing the silent witness of countless family gatherings. Picture the cherry tree, its youthful vibrancy preserved in a sleek coffee table, gleaming with the laughter of shared moments. Wood is not just furniture, it's a conduit to the past, carrying echoes of nature's resilience and whispering promises of future memories. The allure of wood goes beyond mere sentimentality. Its versatility knows no bound. From the rustic charm of farmhouse tables to the sleek lines of modern masterpieces, wood adapts to any aesthetic. Imagine a chunky oak cabinet anchoring a traditional library, its shelves overflowing with leather-bound classics. In contrast, picture a sleek walnut console gracing a minimalist living room, its minimalist design echoing the clean lines of the space. No matter your style, wood has a voice that resonates, a form that complements. Furthermore, wood possesses an inherent durability that surpasses fleeting trends. Unlike its synthetic counterparts, prone to chipping and fading, wood matures with grace. Scratches tell stories of laughter and mishaps, while faint discolorations become badges of honor, testaments to a life well lived. Each mark becomes a cherished chapter in the furniture's narrative, adding to its unique character and sentimental value. But the magic doesn't stop there. Wood offers a tactile experience unmatched by any other material. The smooth coolness of a polished mahogany tabletop, the reassuring weight of a carved oak chair. These sensations connect us to the natural world, fostering a sense of grounding and calm. In a world increasingly dominated by screens and artificial textures, wood offers a sensory oasis, a reminder of the simple pleasures of touch and texture. Moreover, wood possesses an environmental consciousness that resonates with the modern eco-conscious consumer. Sustainable forestry practices and reclaimed wood options allow us to embrace the beauty of wood while ensuring its responsible sourcing. By choosing wooden furniture, we become stewards of nature's bounty, ensuring its legacy for generations to come. So, the next time you furnish your haven, look beyond the veneer of fleeting trends. Embrace the whispering grain of wood, its timeless beauty and its ability to tell stories. Invest in pieces that speak to your soul, reflect your values, and promise to grow with you, like cherished companions on life's journey. Let nature's artistry and human craftsmanship co-create a haven that truly reflects your unique story, a space where warmth whispers from every surface and time dances with memories yet to be made. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on interior design tips and home decor inspirations. Until next time, happy decorating!